Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Today we'll show you guys how to remove and replace the rear door speaker on Mercedes E-Class W211. So that's the body style we're talking about. Stay with us, guys. And we'll need to go ahead and remove the door panel, so let's do that first and we'll get to the speaker. Alright guys, we recommend to disconnect the battery at least 1 hour before the repair, because you're close to a side airbag right there. You don't want that thing to go off in your face, but just be careful with it. Okay, now we need to remove that screw right there, and we actually need to get the right one. We need a T20 for that, Torx 20. Okay, right there, and we can pull that plastic cover off. Okay, next we need to remove, there is a bolt under that airbag cover. Just be careful how you pry this one, because they're fragile, especially if they've been exposed to a lot of sunshine, hot climate. Okay, this one is with T30, so we went ahead and removed that one as well. We'll probably need to get pliers, okay, to get the bolt out, but it's fine, we'll just leave it there for now, it's not gonna bother anything. Next we need to remove that cover there. Okay, we just pulled it out. We have two bolts now there with the same T30. Okay, those are out. Next you need to unscrew that thing. Okay, remove it all the way. Okay, it's almost out. Perfect. And now we need to start prying the door panel open. Okay, there is clips, quite a few clips. You come this way and then you need to go straight up. Okay, and a good advice will be to probably buy extra clips before you start the repair. We have the links on our website for the products we use, because to be honest with you, sometimes those break and you have to replace them after that. Okay, we forgot to mention there is actually a few extra things we need to do under the ashtray. Okay, you need to open it, guys, and then you need to pry it. Okay, there is a couple clips there, and those are fragile. It's really scary removing those things, to be honest with you. You have to take your time. Okay, those are the two clips, okay, right here, so you can pull it out. Okay, and now that's where the bolt is. Okay, another T30. So let's remove this one quick. Alright, perfect. So now we'll be able to pull the door panel out of there. Okay. You can see now this thing will come out, so we need to make sure you feed it when you're ready to install it. So now let's disconnect the wire. Okay, let me show you how that thing works. That's the locking cable. You need to pull, okay, this way, pull it up, and then you need to disconnect it in an angle like that. All we have left now is a couple wires here that go to the door computer. Okay, just we believe one more holding. Okay, down there. So those, you pull them out, they get stuck sometimes. There is one little tooth. We need to get a very small screwdriver and pry a little bit right here. Okay, that's for the tweeter. And we got the panel out of the way, so now let me show you where all the clips are, guys, so you know what to expect. Okay, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We broke only one of them, and it looks like it was broken in the past. Whenever somebody pushed the panel, they didn't get the clip in the hole and it broke the clip, but that's fine. If you have only one broken, it shouldn't be a problem. You won't have any rattle or anything like that. Okay, now we will need to pull that insulation out of the way, and you have to be careful not to break it, because you can, when you press it in, it usually glues back to the door. Okay, and be careful around the airbag. Don't put any pressure on the wires or anything like that there. Don't use any metal tools around it. You have to be very, very careful. You have to know what you're doing with those airbags, and still there is a possibility that something can go wrong. Okay, so we'll just pull it like that and we'll come back to it in a minute. Okay, the speaker wire is in the way, so we'll remove this one so we can pull a little bit more. Okay, just take your time, because if you try to do it too fast, this foam is breakable, and then you have more road noise. Insulation will be weak, you'll be able to feel more heat and all that stuff coming out. So we'll just put it up like that now. So the speaker now, guys, okay, let me turn the light on quick. Okay, it has one tooth right there that you need to pry out. And when you do that, you need to turn the whole speaker box counterclockwise. Let's see how stuck that thing is. Okay, it's stuck, well, actually clockwise, this one. And this is the whole speaker, guys. Everything you can see right here. So that's how you guys remove it. That's how you place it if you need to. All you have to do, get it in place, turn it counterclockwise, put everything back together in reverse order. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.